What's up, my people? How are you? Good morning from here in Africa. It's a very beautiful sunny morning. Yeah, and we thank God. You thank the Muslims, thank Allah, but for us Christians, we thank God for this beautiful morning. Yep, it's a morning routine here in Kenya for African women. Like you can see, I'm washing utensils, and I don't know how you can see how clean my sufuria is. Yeah, I was just washing it today. I was using the sand and the sack, the sacks for carrying maize and all that. That's what I was using, plus the soap. I have the soap, the soap for washing sufurias. Like it's a different kind of soap. Yeah, when you mix this plus the sand, it brings a very sparkling clean utensils, especially the sufurias.
Dimitri.
Yep, thank you guys for always watching my videos. Thank you for the likes, thank you for the comments. I really appreciate you. And in case you're watching this video for the first time, kindly subscribe, and I will appreciate. I'm on a road to 1,000 subscribers, and I know you guys can take me there. Kindly subscribe, and I appreciate. Today I want to show you the morning routine. Like I'm washing utensils in a hurry because I want to go to the farm and harvest maize. It's the harvesting season, that is in December and early January. That's when we harvest maize. So I want to head to the farm after this and show you how we harvest maize. Yeah, from the farm, guys. So let me hurry up with the utensils. I don't want to keep you much, and head to the farm immediately. Yeah, so my people, hi once again. I'm at the farm now harvesting maize. Wow, this one is rotten. This one got spoiled, I think because of too much rain, or there was an insect that got into the maize. So with this one I have to put it separately. We shall feed it to the hens, or there is the rotten maize I used to make the fermented drink. Yeah, and changa. Yeah, the alcohol.
Oh, so you guys make changa too here?
Yeah, we do make. So the rotten maize, that's where we can sell them. Yeah, so my people, it's during harvesting season here in Nyabohanse village. And as you can see, we already harvested the maize, put them into groups. We put the maize into groups. Yeah, that way they dry easily. Like when you put them this together, they dry so easily. Yeah, and so it's time to remove them from the plants. Yeah, and then you have to separate. Once you pick it, you have to remove the maize. You have to uncover this, remove the maize, put it separately, and then this one, put it separately. So after that, we shall be carrying them home, like after all of this is done. So my people, it's time to work. Let's just check how we do this thing. And by the way, I have my friend here, Kabi. She's the one holding my camera. She's my camera lady today.
Hey guys. So how long do they take to dry once they are harvested?
Like a week, even days. Yeah, depending on, like these ones, they're already dried from the farm. Like
Okay.
they're dry.
Oh yeah,
So they
yeah,
will
yeah.
only take around 3 days.
Okay.
Yeah, but when you take ones that are not well dried, that's when they take like a whole week or even 2. You dry them outside. That's when you harvest when they're still green.
Okay. So why do they harvest them and put them like this?
For them to dry quickly, and then for easier harvesting. Like, when they're in a group, it's not like when I will be walking from one maize plant to another. For example, this is not maize, but assuming this was maize. You see, now you have to harvest a maize from here, and then you walk to this plant again. You come and take. You come and take. You see, that is a difficult task. Yeah, so that's why we put them together. Yeah,
Okay.
to make work easier. Yeah, by the way, this one is not yet ready, but as you can see, it's so tall and it's
Is that millet or sorghum?
how do you call this?
Is that millet or sorghum?
The one for ugali.
I think it's millet.
Millet.
I think so.
Yeah, so this one was just planted alongside maize, but once it's ready, we can come for it. For now, let it stay. When we deal with them, that one we mix it with cassava and prepare the brown ugali. Have you tasted the brown ugali?
Yes, I've tasted it, but I don't like it.
Why? And the way it's so
No, it doesn't taste
it's
good.
the most ugali that at our place, every household you visit, that ugali is there.
Yeah, most of the villages they have that ugali.
Because that is the most delicious ugali that we have.
I like the white one. Maybe if you mix the white one with the brown one. Yeah. But then eating just the brown one alone, I don't like it. I also love the yellow ugali. Do you know the yellow ugali?
Yes.
Yeah.
You can grow that maize.
Huh.
Grow
Oh.
not so much.
Yeah.
And by the way, when going to the farm, my people, we have to put on a long cloth. Like, you have to put on something long downwards because of, you can see how my trouser looks like. Black jacks all over. Yeah, black jacks all over. So for you to avoid them going onto your body, yeah, you put something long. Even in the hands, you can put on something long. But because it becomes hot when you are at the shamba, then you become uncomfortable because of the heat. That's why I prefer to put the sleeveless on top. Yeah, and since that the maize has already been cut and put at one place, then I will not be affected. But if you are going the system that you were saying, then you must put on a long cloth because you are passing amidst the maize. You see? So
Yeah.
it's very uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah. How long do you think this is going to take for me to finish?
It depends on how fast you are. As you can see, you're doing it fast. So maybe it will take like half an hour.
Oh, no. This maize is much.
Yeah.
That it's stacked together.
Even it doesn't look much.
Yeah, because it's stacked together.
Wow.
Yeah. And when you are alone, it's a challenge because you become bored. But when you are 2 or 3 doing the same task, then you do it fast.
So what happens to these?
These ones?
Yes.
These ones we feed them to the cows.
Okay.
Yeah,
The way they are dry?
Yes. Yeah, cows take them when they're dry. It's like hay, hay.
Yeah.
You keep the grass, the dried grass, and feed the cows.
Yes.
And so they also feed this. So we give it to the cows. And then the remains, the sticks, these parts, because they will eat the leaves and mostly leave these parts.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so those parts we burn them. These ones spoiled. They rot because of the rain. You see, these ones spoiled. So
Oh,
this will
yeah.
be fed. Maraba Phoebe. So this will be fed today. Oh, even these ones spoiled. I think there was too much water this point.
There was a lot of rain.
Yeah, you see. And then the ones that will remain, like these downer parts, we burn them and we clear during clearing of the land.
Mm-hmm.
That is in January.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we burn the so this season we are not going to be that broke. At least we are going to sell some maize.
How much does a kilo go for
Right
here in the
now
village?
it's so down.
Mm-hmm.
During Uhuru, like President Uhuru,
Mm-hmm.
we sell a sack at 6,000 shillings,
Mm-hmm.
which was much better. But with this regime, they have reduced to 4,000 a sack. So it's kind of a loss because the fertilizer is so expensive, plus the labor. So when I say that I want to employ somebody or I want to give somebody to come and help me do this at a cost, then it becomes a challenge. The expenditure goes beyond what you get.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let me say, for example, so once you've harvested this, so what do you do until you get the maize, the final results? So, or what happens to this maize?
These ones.
Yeah.
These ones. Show them. Those ones.
Yeah, these ones here, guys.
So we are going to take them from the cobwebs. We are taking the maize from the cobwebs and then we dry it. And you know how we take it from the cobwebs? We put in a sack. I will show you how we do that. We put it in a sack and then we heat it using a wood.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So it splits. What that is once it's dry.
Oh, yeah.
And then it splits somehow in a way so we break
Oh,
using
with their hands.
yeah, we break using the hands. But nowadays there is a machine that have come.
Okay.
Once that they used to, you see, like once you heat it, it becomes this way. So we
Oh, you use the machine.
no, now we use the hands to do this.
Oh,
Once you
okay.
put in a sack and you heat, so it becomes into pieces. Maraba. You know, when you heat it, it breaks down. Huh? So once it breaks, now we sit together, the whole family, and take it out of the cobs. And then now we put it to dry. That's how we do it. So I'm going to show you
Okay.
that process. Yeah, and then now with that it's ready for sale and ready for to be taken to the posho mill as well, in case you want to have flour. How do you see our village? Is this work too much? Unlike in the city, where do you prefer to stay, village or city?
I think it depends with so many factors. When it comes to spending, I prefer to stay in the village. Because in the village, you don't spend much. Yeah.
We see it as very expensive.
You know, imagine in the village, you don't spend. You have your sukuma wiki or your kales in the farm.
Yeah.
You've planted maize.
Yeah,
So you don't need to buy.
You can eat cook the berry.
Yeah. And you cannot get hungry. You cannot sleep hungry. Because you have food like all over.
Like we can roast this maize.
Yeah.
We can cook it into the berry form.
Mm-hmm.
We can boil.
Mm-hmm.
We can make cooking flour.
Yeah.
How will we go hungry?
You can't. But you see, in Nairobi, in the cities, you will have to go buy.
What?
You'll have to, everything you do, you have to spend. Yeah.
What?
That, yeah. When it comes to spending, no, I prefer the village. When it
So
comes
in Nairobi, you have to have a job.
yeah,
Here,
for you
we
to
stay
survive.
without a job, and we survive.
Yeah.
Yeah, with this farm work, and we survive. In fact, in the village, it's just farm work and we survive. So you see, like this maize, once I take it from here, I'm going to sell part of this. So as you can see, it's a big shamba.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm going to sell part of it, and then okay, you see the cash I will do something like maybe I'm going to buy for the twins Christmas clothes and shoes. Yeah, so that's how, because without this, how would I have got the cash now to celebrate Christmas?
Yeah, true.
So it's just farming. You have to do timing during farming, and you know at which time of the year am I going to get that amount of money. So it's not like in a job in a city whereby you budget for every end month. You see?
Yeah.
That's the difference. Yeah.
And then another thing is the food here is organic. You find direct from the farms.
But
They are kienyeji's. They are not. It's not a mix of kienyeji and the GMO or something.
we are used to pure Kenyan, like the vegetables from the farm direct to the pot.
Yeah.
Yeah, same to beef from the butchery direct to the pot. Like we don't even buy ones that has spent a day or two in a butchery. It's just the same day, and the next day they slaughter again. Yeah, if it's chicken, that is it. Like, by the way, I think village life is good.
Villagers, it's good. But when it comes to working, well,
Yeah,
you also need to be hardworking.
One of my friends, Crossdale,
Yeah.
he said I'm very well hardworking.
Yeah.
And indeed I am. Thank you, Crossdale, for noticing that. Yeah, I'm very hardworking. You know, you go with the setting of the environment.
Yeah.
That's what you just have to do. How many? Yeah, guys. So as you can see, I'm done. I'm done with this bunch here, and yeah, it's so hot. And I think the bunches that we've harvested are enough for today. Yeah, I will be coming back to in the evening, later in the evening, to complete the other bunches, because there's still so many and they need to be harvested as earlier as possible so that they don't rot in the shamba. Yeah, so I'm now going to bring the sack. Let me clear this up from here. Yeah, you have to ensure that you don't leave maize at that part. Yeah, as you can see, everything has been harvested from here. The place is now so clear. Yeah, so this is what we've harvested from this point. So I'm going to get a sack and carry this home. Yeah, so let me get a sack. Oh, my people, so I'm now collecting the maize, putting them in sacks, yeah, and then carry them home. Yeah, we have to collect all the maize from this point, including the one that is bad, the one that has rotten, and then we'll sort it home as well. so we have to make sure. And it's so heavy. So heavy. Remember, we have so many collection points everywhere. We like, once you harvest at one point, you put them at a point. So when collecting them at home, you have to pick them from different points and take them at home. Yeah. So my people, thank you so much. Thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Thank you for coming with me to harvest maize. Yeah, I'm going to get home and I really want to appreciate you for watching. Kindly remember to subscribe. Kindly remember to comment, like and share the video. Otherwise, let's meet in my next video. Bye for now.